Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad with a video tutorial on C programming. So in this tutorial we're gonna see how to execute the commands, the commands which we execute in the command prompt in a C program. So for that purpose we're gonna use a function called system. So in this tutorial I'm gonna explain the syntax of this function and also how we can use this function in our program. So you can see the syntax here. It's gonna be system, then the string, which is going to be the command, and it's going to return the result, specifying whether the command was successfully executed or not. So the system function passes the string pointed by this str as a command to the command processor of the operating system. And the next thing is, if this system is called with a null pointer here, then it will return a non-zero value if the command processor is present in the operating system, else it's gonna return a value of 0. So we can check whether the command processor is present in the system or not using the system function. And also the return value from this system will be implementation defined, but typically 0 is returned if the command was executed successfully, else a non-zero value is returned, which indicates the error. Okay, now we're gonna see how we can use this function in our program. So just for the demonstration purpose, what we're gonna do is, first we're gonna check whether the system or the operating system supports the command processor. That's why I'm gonna use the system function inside the if. It's gonna be if system of null. So if the command processor is not present in the system, then it's gonna return a value of 0, else it's gonna return a non-zero value. So we're gonna check that. If it is not equal to 0, then it's gonna mean that the command processor is present, then we can execute the commands there, else we're gonna print out the message saying that a command processor is not present. So I'm gonna use a foottest function and I'm gonna say command processor is not present in your OS. Okay, now here if the command processor is present in the system, then we're gonna use this system function to execute the commands. So it's gonna be system, and as a parameter we're gonna pass the command. So in this case, for the demonstration purpose, I'm gonna pass the dir command, which is used to list the files and directories present in the current working directory. So I'm gonna save this one, execute, compile and run. So you can see here the output of this dir command is listed. It just lists the files and folders present in the current working folder, which is C users Anil desktop useful functions, and these are the files present in that folder. So similarly you can use this system to execute any other commands which we can do with the command prompt. And for example, let's say echo and a string hi Anil. I'm gonna save this one, compile and run. You can see here the echo command is successfully executed and the result is here. And also this system function is going to return a value of 0 if the command was successfully executed. So you can use that value and check whether the command has successfully executed or not and print out the appropriate message. So this is it, guys. This is about the system function in C, which is used to execute the commands in your program. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any doubt, then just put a comment in that video, and also like my Facebook page at facebook.com/learninglad, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.